I cannot get over this green. So the last time we drove it, apparently we didn't drive in RS mode, and that was our fault. And then you have here Ash Motors, very deadly F10 M5. This is a flame spitting F10 M5. As you guys already know, it has a carbon fiber hood. There's like champagne quartz. No, there's not champagne quartz, but like this a gray shade of BMW. You can see the gold flakes with the lines, sorry, with the light hitting it. And you can see the new Prado 720s RS6. And we are at JP. JP sponsor me. You had to turn around, but we also have Auto Detailing's F90 M5. This one and that one and the RS6 have like similar colors because this is British Racing Green and this is British Racing Green, but it's a wrap. This is a wrap. It's a very sexy wrap. Another McLaren has joined. I can never get used to McLarens. I really love McLarens. If you know me, you know that I'm always talking about owning a McLaren. And I love McLarens. So we have one McLaren here and another one right there with RS6 here. I've already mentioned that already. But yeah, we might do a drive to Marina Mall. Lloyd just started the M5. Today I'm going to show you how big flames, how much of the big flame that comes out of this. Child, today I want to see your flames. Today I want to see your flames. And as I said, you get your very good tires on your car. You can't see anything here, but there are lots of things in this car. If you know, you know. So the rest of the boys have to start their cars so that we get going. Guys, in case you don't know how to open a McLaren, you put your hand down here and there's a button. You press it and then you lift it up. Don't say I never taught you anything. And these have some really nice bucket seats. Nice one. I don't know whether this is stock or this is tuned. Look at JW John Wick. So what are you? I'm an amateur. Lloyd, give me one prat.
Wait till my car comes. I'm coming for you first.
Nobody want to leave. Me too, I go park on one side. JW. S and RS6. And we are in a lovely F90 M5. I said fight. Hey, boats. Yep. That's a unique. So we're parked, just chilling and talking. So now you can see with the lights against the bumper, you can see the other shade, the golden shade. Just waiting for one last person and then we move. What are you saying?
Hi guys, this is Henny Automotive. The owner of Henny Automotive. I show Henny, aka. Now, but you guys listen, tune into Tim's YouTube videos and all that stuff, bro. Watch
Thank
it.
you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my brother.
Helps it.
My word, man. So let's see Lloyd in flames. Charlie, you guys watch the video. I'm raising money to buy Ahmed's car. Eh?
Are you ready?
the power.
Oh shit!
My car there, bro. Hey, Josh today, what?
They go cross for frontal.
For my front. Oh Jesus. Shit. Charlie, but his flames are beautiful, man. In case you guys don't know, right? In case you guys don't know, one of the fastest F90s, the green one. If you know, you know. On this video, you think I have orgasm, but it's not my fault. Hey.
This one here is
Charlie.
yeah, like go line. I'm going to enter the Hackett. I've seen that the place is good.
Guys, this is very picturesque. Look at this, in front of Hackett. So yeah, we have the G90. Yeah, the G90 and the 720s. Crazy. With the RS6 at the back. So you have the C. Oh, that's extremely loud. So this is the C7 Corvette, lovely one. F90 M5 competition. Durango, McLaren, and then the E34 that was just shooting the flames right now. Today the boys came out to play.
See all these cars? They are louder than mine.
Your car is louder than theirs. This thing is an explosion, oh! It's an explosion. Charlie,
Are you sure this guy is louder than theirs?
oh, it's louder.
Oh no, I'm not sure.
That is crazy. So that's why they say don't judge the book by its cover, or don't judge a book by its cover. I know the lighting over here is not so great, so let's go back to where the actual cars are. Try that car be crazy loud, though.
It's very loud.
Today the boys are out in Marina. And just as we were here, the M8 comp just pulled up. So I think I'm gonna make my thumbnail right now. Yeah, I'm trying to pick the very good shot for my thumbnail. you guys requested for a long video. I hope this video is long for you guys to see. Yeah? Okay, talk to me.
So, like, you see, if you want an M5, okay, I feel like the jeans look very feminine. The F's masculine. This is a masculine vibe.
But this is faster than this.
It's not about the fastness. It's about the looks. This is masculine. This looks masculine. This one they look like some toy like this.
But I mean now this one started to grow on me.
Yeah, and honestly, but it's quick. This is the fastest guy,
Oh man, Charlie.
This guy's quick.
Debating between the G90 and the F90. And as you already know, the 720s is here. I can't get over this. I really can't get over the 720s. I want to get it in the full frame. Actually, let me try and get another shot. Like this. Two generations of M5s.
The way it's quiet.
Bro, it's lovely quiet. But you the rush, you.
You like flex.